Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transition to your clips on CapCut PC. So you're just going to add the images or videos to the track, but I only have one image here and I want to duplicate it. So just copy paste, select the clip, copy paste again as you like. So to add transition, you are just going to click transition option at the button. Um, and then you are just going to select the transition you like here. For instance, I'm select the pull-in transition and drag, put between the clips, and you are just going to adjust for the duration, and you can also apply the transition to all clips. So just click apply to all, or you can select another transition, just drag and put between the clip. So all right, there you go. Yeah, it's very simple. I think this tutorial um especially for those of you who are using CapCut music for the first time. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.